Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use arrays to do multiplication of 2 and 3 digit numbers. Okay, so the first example I have for you is 235 multiplied by 22. So I'm going to draw an array like this. Alright, and one of my lengths is going to be longer than the other, and that's going to represent the 235. And the shorter length is going to be the 22. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to break this into smaller pieces. So I'm going to break it down by place value. So this is going to be 200 over here, and then I'm going to break it down into the 30 over here, and then 5 over here. And then, so we have the top kind of broken down, and for the bottom, or the 22, we're going to break that down over here. So really what I'm going to do is 20 and 2. So then that's going to go down here, so the 20 would be up here, and then the 2 would be down here. And then we will find the answers. So this, for this box up here, it's going to be 200 times 20. So that one's going to equal 4,000. Alright, and then this is going to be 30. 30 times that 20. So 30 times 20, that's going to be 600. And this is going to be 5 times that 20. So now it's going to be 100. Then this 2 is going to be multiplied by 200. So that's going to equal 400. Then this is going to be 2 times 30. So that's going to equal 60. And this is going to be 5 times that 2. So that's going to be 10. Now what we're going to do is add up all these numbers. So if we start over here, 4,000, 600, 100, 400, 60, and 10. And then, alright guys, so where we left off was adding up the totals. So here's these totals right here, and what we're going to do is just add them all up together. So over here in the ones column, this is 0. Over here in the tens, we have 7. Over here we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're going to carry that 1, 4 and 1 is going to equal 5. So our total for 235 times 22 is going to equal 5,170. And that's how you do the array for that one. Now we are going to go on to another example. Alright, let's go on to another example. Another problem we could do be 125 times, let's do 27 equals, so for this one, it's also going to have one longer side, one shorter side. So let's go like this. So this is going to be my longer, the 125, and this is going to be my shorter, the 27. For 125, we're going to break it off into 100, which is going to be over here, the 20, which is going to be over here, and then the 5 over here. So that's this side broken down. The next side is going to be the 27, and we are going to break that down by 20 and 7. So the 20 is going to just run across the bottom here. Or I'm sorry, the 7 is going to run across the bottom here, and the 20 is going to be this number up here. So now we just need to start figuring out these numbers. This first box is going to be 100 times 20. So we know 1 times 2 is going to be 2. And then we just add those 3 zeros, so that's 2,000 in that box. This box is going to be 20, the 20 up here times the 20 over there. And then we know 2 times 2 is 4, add 3 zeros, 400. This 5 is also going to be multiplied by that 20 over there. We know that's, of course, 100. Over here, if we move to this side, the 27, now we're on the 7 part of that to break down and multiply. That 7 is going to be multiplied by this 100 up here. So with that, we know that's going to be 700. Then this 7 is going to be multiplied by this 20. 7 times 2 is 14, add that 0, so 140. And then 7 is going to be multiplied by this 5 up here also, so 7 times 5, which we know is 35. Now to finish figuring this problem out, we're just going to add these all together. Yeah, so let's do that real fast. So we're looking at 2,000, we got 400, 100, 700, 140, and then that 35. We're just gonna add those all up together. All right, and so when we break down, when we add up all this, the ones column, all we have is this 5 over here. So 5, this tens column is going to be 4 and 3, which we know is 7. The next column is going to be 4 and 1, which is 5, 5 and 7, which is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. You can add the 3, carry the 1, and then this last column is just the 2 plus the 1, so your answer is 3,375, and that is for the answer to 125 times 27. All right, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.